President of a mansion with halls I'd never mention and rooms that I don't think I've ever seen. Skeletons in the closet with shirts I haven't worn and clothes I was inside was 17. Close the door and bolt it shut, 'cause you're the only one I trust. What can I do to help you feel the same for me? Baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and let it melt. Shrouded in all your secrets, with walls to hide your weakness, a resolute but hopeless mystery. But I can see through the surface, you're alone to hide your loneliness, and I know, 'cause you're an awful lot like me. So baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and let it melt. So long after the days we are pushing the daisies, I will be yours. The thorns on the roses, I may never know if I've seen them all, but I'll give you all of me, unreservedly, yeah. Baby, don't be unforgiving, 'cause I already have no sympathy for myself. And darling, I'd be more than willing to put my cold heart in your hands and give you all I am, 'cause only you could understand what I have felt. I put my cold heart in your hands and let it know.
You're like my favorite record, spinning in my mind, your melody. I don't regret all of this wasted time, if you're the only one that's on repeat. You're like coffee in the evening, you make it difficult to fall asleep. Behind my eyes, the pictures that you drew, couldn't resist the urge to miss you. Congrats to you for slipping into my mind. And I guess you've left me restless to you in the morning. So please just wait for me. You're like my favorite movie. I let you in behind the scenes, imperfect characters, but I believe you saw the me that no one else could see. I miss your fingers running through my hair. You pull the strings all night to make me sing. Miss the times when you light up the air. How did you make it look so easy? Congrats to you for slipping into my mind. And I guess you left me restless again tonight. But when I fall asleep, I dream I'd wake up to you in the morning. So please just wait for me. And when I fall asleep, I dream I'd wake up to you in the morning. So please just wait for me. Excuses, it takes courage to lose them. Your predictability is not consistency, don't confuse them. Your choices, they make more than the noises. Every decision that you make is mapping out your fate. Can't avoid it, and I don't wanna be your water
when you're thirsty in a drought. I wanna be your fire that never burns out. I'm not afraid of time. I'm always getting better, always in my prime. I don't need the stars to align, 'cause I'm always getting better, always in my prime. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's useless to worry about what I can't change. If it doesn't fit, okay, I'll go a different way. I'm at my own pace. To be in your prime, it's a beautiful state of mind. Commit to positivity, comes back to just one thing: are you happy? And I don't wanna be your water when you're thirsty in a drought. I wanna be your fire that never burns out. I'm not afraid of time. I'm always getting better, always in my prime. I don't need the stars to align, 'cause I'm always getting better, always in my prime. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Always in my prime.